Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about test 3 question solution. So the question 1 is you are using features engineering uh, to improve machine learning model. Which of the following strategies would help improve the model's performance? The answer is creating interaction features such as the product of two important variables. Next question is when conducting features engineering of the machine learning model, which of the following would be considered best practice? The option B. So the answer of the question is option B, transferring raw data using binomial knowledge to create new meaningful features. So next question is you are building a model to predict housing price are and uh, and are using a parameters model. Which of the following is an consumption made of the model? So the answer is option B, the relationship between the feature and the output of and the output is linear and fixed. The next question is, if you if you want to convert a continuous variable into a categorical variable with three categories: young, middle age, and old, then which technique would you use to perform this transformation? So the answer of this question is binning the continuous variable. Next question is, you are building a classification model and are encountering performance issues due to the large size of dataset. You decide to imply k-fold cross validation. What step would you take next? So the answer is split the data into k equal sized fold, train on k1 fold, and validate on the remaining fold. So next question is the to reduce the complexity of a linear regression model, you decide to use feature selection. Which of the following method would you appropriate? So the uh, answer is both A and B. The A is linear L1 regularization, and the B is principal component analysis, PCA. The next level, the next question is, in a k-mean clustering, if you choose k is equal to 3k is equal to 3k is equal to 3, and start with 5 data points, how many initial clusters as assignment will be there? So the answer is 5. In a decision tree, if a dataset contains 100 data points and there are features, how many possible splits would the decision tree explore for each nodes in the tree? So the answer is 5. And next question is hierarchical clustering. If there are initial 10 clusters, how many steps will it take to reach just one cluster? So the answer is 9. Comprehensive understanding. Next level is comprehensive understanding. In a principal component analysis, PCA, reduce a data set with 100 features to 5 principal component. How many dimensions are retains after PCA? So the answer is 5. If k-mean clustering is implied with k is equal to 4k is equal to 4k equals to 4 clusters on a data set of 500 more data points, and each clusters has 125 data points, which is total number of data points uh, across all clusters. The answer is 500. In a decision tree, if there are 5 nodes each with a binary decision, how many different paths you can use for the root of the level? The answer is 64. The answer is 32. Next is given a data set with 100 data points, if k-mean clustering algorithm results in a three clusters with the following data point distribution, the 200, 400 and 400, what is the largest number of the data points are data points per clusters? The answer is 300. Next question is, in a support vector, uh, यस इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी एक्सप्लेन कैसे हमारा आंसर है यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एक्सप्लेन किया है. सो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो जो हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 था उसका मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन अ सपोर्ट वेक्टर मशीन इफ द मर्जिंग बिटवीन द सपोर्ट वेक्टर एंड hyperplan in the 5 unit of and there are 10 support vectors, what is the total margin distance for all support vectors? The answer is 5. Here is the explanation of this answer. Next, next question is, if you performing k-mean clustering with 3k is equal to 3k is equal to 3k is equal to 3 and the mean square error MSE for each of the three clusters as follows 2 comma 5 comma and 8, what is the total MSE for clustering? And the answer is 15. Here the example of explanation of this answer. Next question is, you train a model with 1000 data points with if the training error is 0.1 and the test error is 0.2, what is the bias variance trade-off in the case? The answer is low bias and high variance. Explanation, the higher test error compares to training error indicates what the model is overfitting which points to low bias and high variance. Question number 11, a decision tree has 10 features and 1000 data points. If the maximum depth of the tree is 5, how many nodes can the tree have the most? The answer is 31. The next question is, you are comparing two models, model A and model B. Model A is a training time of 10 minutes and the test accuracy is 85%. Model B is training time 15 minutes and the test accuracy is 80%. Based on the data points, which model is more efficient? So the answer is model A is more efficient because it has a fast training time. Next question is, in a decision tree, if the data set contains 100 data points in a split at the note and result in three groups with the following size: 200, 300 and 500, what is the Gini impurity for this node? So the answer is 0.4. Here is the exam explanation for this question. And next question is, and the next question is, you are tasked with building a conven convolution natural network CNN for image classification with image size 32 into 32 pixels, with if your CNN has a 3 cross 3 kernel, and you applies a straight of 2, what will be the output size for the first convo convolution layer B? So the answer of this question is 18 cross 18. So here is the explanation for this question. And next question is, if you are using a recurrent neural network RNN for sequential data and the sequence length is 50, how many times step does the RNN process if the process one data point at a time? So the answer of this question is 15, option A. So this is all about today's video. I hope you understand the MCQ questions, and thank you for watching this video.